Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys my demo and my review on these two new products by Sephora. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, we're going to be trying out these two. This is the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I have been actually wearing these two for like a week and a half now, but I'm just now getting around to doing the video. But anyways, I have the shade 59N and it's a really good match. I did do a video on Instagram Reel on both of these, and then I have their new translucent powder. So let's just jump right in. To prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydra Grip Primer, and I just feel like this primer works so freaking well with like every foundation, no matter the finish, and especially for my skin. It's hydrating for the parts of my face that's like normal to dry, and then it's not too oily for the parts of my face that is more oily, or my T-zone area which is oily. So I love this. I feel like this is the perfect primer. However, I don't know, you could use whichever one you want. I guess it depends on your skin type. This one works well for me because it seems like it's really good for either oily or normal to dry. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and put on my eyebrows and then I will be right back. So now I have on my brows and I decided to add some little bronzy shadow today. So it's nothing too much. I actually use the Juvia's Place chocolate palette. Anyways, it's about this foundation. So this is the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. Once again, I absolutely really like this foundation. I already been wearing it. Like I told you guys, I did an Instagram reel on it. I have been playing around with it, and while you guys know I am always a brush girl, I actually really like this one with the sponge. So I'm going to be using my my beauty blender today because I've been using it to apply this foundation and it just looks amazing. So that's what I'm going to use. I am going to go ahead and just like apply the foundation and the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and of course I'm going to apply the powder because it is one of the steps. So I'm just going to apply the makeup and come back and tell you guys like how I feel about this, since I've already been wearing this product anyways, and because I just don't want the video to be too long, but I do want to be able to give you guys like an in-depth feel of how I, you know, feel about it and everything. Okay divas, so here is my finished face. I did want to go ahead and tell you guys how I feel about each product individually, so I'll go ahead and start off with the foundation. So this foundation is so freaking nice, okay? Like, I've been actually wearing this foundation and I just love it so much. Like, it gives you that flawless feel. Now if you're more of like a everyday person, you could probably take one pump like all over your face. I wanted full coverage because I do still have a few blemishes. I'm working on my skin, but I still have a few blemishes, so I wanted full coverage, and I've been a full coverage girl lately. So I just wanted that, but you guys definitely don't have to take one pump on each side of your face. It's just the phase that I'm in right now. So yeah, that's why I went ahead and did that. But yeah, this foundation is flawless. Now, one thing I want to say is that this is not like, I feel like it's I don't feel like it's matte at all. In these areas of my face it probably looks matte, but I did set with powder, but it probably does look matte. It does come off a little bit matte in the drier portions of my face, but this foundation is definitely not matte, but it's definitely not something that you should be afraid of if you're oily either. I feel like it has like that happy medium. I definitely feel like this is an all year round foundation, because I know I categorize certain foundations like in the summer. I will not wear a foundation that's dewy unless that's the look I'm going for, but typically I don't. I like to do that in the drier months. But this one I feel like you can carry with you throughout the whole entire year for every season, so that's really good. Another thing that I like is that it's very lightweight. Although I did put a pump on each side of my face, I cannot feel it on my face. It does not feel like, you know, like you could just feel that weight of makeup on your face. You definitely don't feel it. And I also think that that is because I blended it out. It's not necessarily because I blended it out with the sponge. It's just a lightweight foundation overall, because when I first applied it I did use a brush. So yeah, I like the way it blends with a brush or the sponge, but I just like the sponge better right now. It's just right now because I'm still a brush girl, but it's just right now because I don't know, I feel like it gives me like that airbrush type of look. Overall, I really like this foundation. Now let's go ahead and talk about the price point. The price point is really nice. I do really like the price point. It's only $20, okay? And this is my first time actually trying Sephora products out, and let me say that I am very impressed. I don't know how I've been sleeping on Sephora all this time. I didn't even have a particular reason, but I definitely won't do it anymore. This is definitely going in one of my fave. Like, this is definitely easily going to the category of being a fave, not only because it's a very nice foundation, but the price point as well. I know some people are like, they don't like spending a lot of money on makeup or whatever the reason may be. You know, of course I don't mind because I love makeup, but I know everybody is not like that. So I feel like this is definitely competing with some high-end foundations. So overall, as far as the foundation goes, I would definitely recommend it. So I just thought that I was like, okay, the foundation is nice. Like when I first tried it, I was like, oh my gosh, like this foundation is nice. So I was like, I can't get lucky 2 times in a row. Like, it's just not gonna happen. And then I put this powder on my face and I was proven wrong, okay? This powder, like, I really almost want to say that I like it more than my Laura Mercier, and that's like, it's no word of a lie. I love how flawless my under eye look. And not only that, like, can we give Sephora a round of applause, okay? I can't even get my words together. A round of applause for the fact that this does not give off flashback on my chocolatey skin tone, okay? Because some translucent powders don't be it's translucent, okay? And I love the fact that this one is actually translucent and it works for like my deep complexion. Now obviously if it works for my deep complexion, if you're lighter than me, it's definitely gonna work for you. But I love how it just looks so beautiful, does not give off flashback, and it just makes my under eye and wherever I set with it like just look flawless. Like, I look like I have on a filter in person. Like, I'm looking at myself like, wow, like this powder is the bomb.com, okay? Like, I'm so serious. And I think it's under $20, either $20 or under $20. Really love the fact that this one is finely milled and it's just really nice. Like, honestly, right now this is my favorite setting powder, okay? Like, it's so amazing. I've actually used it every single time that I have been wearing makeup, and it's just like, wow, like I have to go and get a backup because this, like, I can't run out of this. Like, this is amazing. So I would definitely recommend it. I really do overall like these 2 products, and I don't want to hold you guys too long, so yeah, I'm just gonna close out the video. girl, you need these. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this foundation or powder or both, or are you thinking about it? Let me know what you think about it on me. I definitely am here and living and loving it. Like, I know I probably shouldn't have did like my eyes so dramatic, but I was just in the mood, so yeah. But anyways, you guys can still focus on the foundation. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, okay? And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos, especially not this week, because it's like a foundation focus week, okay? I still have 2 more foundation videos, or actually no, I have 3 more foundation videos to do. So definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.